Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Grammarly AI. And as you can see right now, I'm currently inside a browser called Google Chrome. Now before we get started, I just wanna let you know that this process is applicable for all devices such like Android, a tablet, your iOS devices, or even your MacBook. So please stay in the video and let's work this out. Now, with this one, I want you to search this specific website called Grammarly.com. And this is gonna be the landing page of Grammarly, okay? You should be seeing this also on your end. So starting with the left sections right here, it has My Grammarly. We have this one that's called Trash, Accounts, Apps, and Premium. We're gonna go with them one by one. Now, before we get started, on the main project right there, I want to let you know guys first is technically what is Grammarly. So Grammarly is just like an assistant. Think of it as a co-pilot while you're working. For example, you want something to be done very fast, very quickly regarding wording, grammatical error, or building an essay, Grammarly is the one to go. And with this one, let's get started. This is going to be the My Grammarly landing page, and with this, you can simply open this up, click on it, and then this is going to be the platform where you can edit. For example, as you can see it here, nothing to check yet because we haven't typed anything. Now the thing here is you can either type first manually, control, paste anything document right there, or even upload a document. Now you'll see on this right section, the overall score, the goals, the Grammarly Go Edge text generation. This is for premium. Now for all suggestions, the correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery will be right there. The best thing about Grammarly, you can also check plagiarism. So basically everything is under Grammarly regarding texting. Now let's try typing something. For example, this text I am typing right now is for sample due to discussion purposes only. I know that right now this is not the best one. As you can see, suggestions have been activated. This yellow highlighted line right there says Grammarly has a suggestion for us to make it work. That being said, you can just click right there if you have a premium account. With that being said, I want to let you know now what is premium. Going back to the landing page, you'll see right here we have trashed. These are the documents you've deleted on the landing page and you can retrieve them in 30-day period. For example, I'm going to delete this one, everything actually, and go to trash. As you can see, they've been added. You can simply retrieve them with this icon right there. Now moving on with the account, if you click on the account right there, you'll be directed on this platform where basically you can just change your name, your username, and your password. This is the one you're looking also on your end. So you can customize the subscription also is right there. But for the subscription, the only major differences for the free premium business is basically this one right there. It's gonna be the AI prompts per plan. So for the pre-plan, you still have 100 AI prompts. For the premium, you have 1,000. And for the business, you have 2,000. Now that being said, this prompts right there generates every month. So if you're still starting like me on Grammarly, might as well use the free 100 version or 100 AI prompts first. And then, if you're really loving it, go to premium, because this 1,000 prompts right there are really helpful. Now let's try going back to the landing page to show you guys what's really the difference, more specifically with those three plans. Let's try it out right there, and you'll see it over here if you click that. These are the main differences. So for writing features, for free we only have write without mistakes and say your writing tone, but we don't have the adjustment, the rewrite full sentence, the write fluently in English, of course this one's right there. And of course, we have AI prompts anyways, but this is hundreds per month. For premium, we have everything. Now the difference regarding premium and business and security, the account roles and permissions, this is for business only. And of course, for the team features are for business. So if you're not a business owner, you're just an individual loving the features of Grammarly, might as well get a premium. Now, that being said, let's go back to the one last section on the landing page I want to show you guys. And this is going to be called applications. This is very important. Please take note. As I've mentioned earlier, whatever device you might be using, may it be a PC with a Windows, may it be a Chrome, maybe an iPhone on iPad, or even an Android, there's no problem. As long as you install them properly, as you can see right now, I have one for Windows, one for Chrome because I'm using a PC with the Windows running. I've installed the first two. If you have an iOS or MacBook, or an iLaptop, that being said, click on this one. Of course, we're not gonna let or leave the Android behind, so click on install. Basically, that's it. This is the landing page of Grammarly. So think of it as an assistant on your writing. Now moving on, let's show you guys how it works. Let's try my Outlook over here. Now let's see a specific email, for example this one. It's from a shop that I've just bought something. We're just gonna discard this first. So I'm gonna show you guys how Grammarly works, okay? So for example, I'm gonna reply, click on no with that one, that's just a PDF. Now, with this one, in any text form or in anywhere of your PC you're using Grammarly, you'll see this overlay. Now, how to utilize Grammarly properly. For example, I don't know how to start an email. I don't have that initiative or creativity regarding introductions. Of course, we can ask Grammarly for help. Simply click on this light bulb, as you can see right there. Click on it. You'll see these suggestions. Wait for it to load up. So we have generate ideas for a blog post, write a project, progress report, brainstorm some thought-provoking suggestions or questions, and we can click more right there. Now, with this one, these are only the templates that you can try. Simply go back on this bar and tell us what to do, we can do it. So for example, write me an introduction to an email. Fix that spelling right there. Okay, let me just fix this one. So basically, as I've said earlier, Grammarly will help you on your day-to-day basis. Click on OK, and as you can see right there, dear John, I hope this email finds you well. So you can insert it right away to your email, but please pay close attention to these choices right there. Make it more persuasive. You can get Grammarly Generation AI in text citations, or make it more assertive. Let's try tracking in the persuasive option. So let's compare the two emails, okay? So the first one will be this one. I wanted to reach you out to discuss a project we were working on together last week. The second one is gonna be, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to touch base regarding our project. As the deadline approaches, I thought it would be a great idea to ensure that we'll stay on track to achieve our goals. Now to compare the two, the first one is very neutral, very basic, and the second one is a little bit more persuasive. It gives you that frequent persuasion to ask for your friends, right? Now that being said, there is just another option here that you can just insert it. For example, let's try it out again and simply insert. Let's just try topic. Let's just say gardening. I want to show you guys this insert option. So you can see right there, insert, and that topic has just been added to your email. That's how you use Grammarly in your Outlook. So the problem here, or rather not a problem, the only limitation here would be your imagination, how you utilize it. So I'm just showing the basic, I'm just showing you the ropes and how to do this, okay? Now, since we already discussed how using it on Outlook, I want to show you guys now how to use it in the Word document. Open a blank document right there. So as you can see, or you might notice, Grammarly will work as long as you see that hovering overlay of Grammarly, okay? So as you can see, in every text box or wherever you are on your PC, as long as you're starting to type a text, Grammarly or this overlay will show up. So again, if I'm not familiar, if I'm not confident regarding my introduction to an essay, I can simply ask Grammarly for help. So with this one, give me ideas to an essay about gardening. Simply click on it and Grammarly will help us. So please take note regarding the numbers right there. I have 90 over 100 prompts left. Next refill in 12 days. And as you can see, I have been using this for a few minutes now and I still have 90 prompts. So if you're a beginner like me, I think I misclicked something. I've just go back to the plan. So let's go back to the Word document, okay? So if you're just like me and then you're not really using it properly, or you're not using it frequently rather, that's what I mean earlier, you can just use this as a free plan as of now. So again, give me ideas for an essay about gardening. Let's wait for it to load up. And now we can simply click on insert. So if you want more rephrasing, you can make it more direct, sound formal. And let's look for something making it more friendly right there. So with this one, hey there, I'm excited to help you with your essay on gardening. So let's talk about this. And then these are the topics. I think the average that Grammarly gives you is 5, 10. And for the one earlier, we have 5, right? So let's check this out. You can shorten it, or you can simply click on insert. And Grammarly will default choose you a specific font size. And you can start here right now. So you don't have to start from scratch. Okay? Now that's how you use it on the Word. And then I just want to let you know that this is not the only use for Grammarly. You can use it on Excel, you can use it on PowerPoint, you can even use it on any Microsoft Offices. So it doesn't mean I'm using it only for Word, doesn't mean it's only applicable for Word, okay? Please take that. Now let's move on to this one. I want to show you a specific use it for the social media. For example, LinkedIn. I want to click a post, for example, start a post right there. And then wait for Grammarly overlay to pop up. As you can see right there, I'm going to show you that Grammarly does not only work for texting or essays or such that Word document over there. It can also work as an example for this one. Let's try this out, okay? So generate idea for a post. I am looking to hire an employee for data entry. Basically, with that one, and as you can see, Grammarly will give us something to post with. Click on insert, and there you go. Join our team, are you a master of spreadsheets and databases, and so on and so forth. And basically that's how you use Grammarly. Utilize it properly and you'll be unlimited in your power regarding these prompts. And that being said, let's go now to the mobile device on Grammarly, how to use it on your mobile devices, okay? So this will be the mobile device of Grammarly, and as you can see right now, I am currently on iMessage talking with someone. And basically with this one, as you can see, this icon of Grammarly is right there. To access this one, if you're not seeing it in your end, simply click this icon or global icon, globe one, hold it, and you'll see Grammarly right there. Now a little tip for you guys, if you're not seeing it over here, you might need to approve or authorize a restriction. To do that, simply go to settings, type in keyboard on the search bar, of course go to keyboard, click this one, and then you'll see Grammarly right there. Make sure this is enabled, allow full access to use it. And that being said, that's how you use Grammarly on your mobile devices. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.